Welcome to fourth and the last session of Vedic Maths Part 1. Today's session we have four topics. Digit sum, it's also called digital root, divisibility test, HCF and LCM, and the last topic multiplication base method above base. So let's start with the first topic, digits sum. It's a very simple topic but very effective. We study more application of this later on in part 3. Right now we are just introducing to this topic. Digit sum is also called digital root. The definition clearly tells it is very simple. Digit sum of a number is a single digit. The answer has to be 1 to 9, that means 0 is not allowed, which you get by adding all digits of the number. So you just add digits, and the single digit which you get by adding digit, that is called digit sum. Okay, Laksh, I'll mark you up present afterwards. Right now, all of you copy this and just say done in the chat box. Okay, sorry. Okay, Anish. So make two columns like this, number and digit sum. Here, no? It will be very clear once you go through this example, but otherwise also it is very easy. Digit sum of a number is a single digit. The answer of digit sum has to be 1 to 9, which you get by adding all digits of the number. Okay, see here how to calculate digit sum. It's very, very simple. Just add digits. 2 plus 5. Answer is 7. So 7 is the digit sum of 25. Let's take the example 42. 4 plus 2. Answer is 6. So digit sum of 42 is 6. Anybody has doubt? Calculate digit sum of 17. Write answer in chat box. Write it privately. Answer it to me only. Don't answer to everyone. Yeah, Trisha correct. Samarth correct. Nalita correct. Swara correct. Stravan correct. Vaishnavi, Anish, Sonam, Sana, Gautam. Good. So very simple. 1 plus 7, 8. Answer this. Digit sum of 45. Yeah, Trisha correct. Sonam correct. Samarth correct. Malita correct. Stavan correct. Swara correct. Sana correct. Bhavya correct. Anish correct. Arna correct. Okay. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 213. Samarth correct. Arav correct. Gautam Bhavya Sonam Stavan Trisha Malita Swara Arna all correct. Good. 2 plus 1. Oh, you have to add all digit. Whatever big number, just add all digit. And answer has to be single digit. 6. 414. Next number. Laksh, the last answer is 6. Just check. Okay. Trisha, Stavan, Samarth correct. Sana, Arav, Sonam, okay, all correct. Good. 4 plus 1 plus 4, it is 9. Okay, answer is 9. Try this. 75. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Samarth, very good. Malita, very good. Sonam, very good. Arav, very good. Okay, so some of you answered 12, but correct answer is 3. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, but then the definition clearly says that answer has to be 1 to 9. With that, you should understand first that 12 is not a correct answer. Okay, so when you get 2-digit answer or when you get more than 1-digit answer, just add again. With this concept, you should understand that any big number, finally it will come to single digit. Yeah, Trisha, the 12 is not a correct answer. So you have to go on adding. The answer of digit sum has to be 1 to 9. Okay. So you have to go on adding till you get single digit. And with this concept, we should understand that any big number, it will come to single digit. Okay, so let's try some more examples. 68. Yeah, someone correct. Arav correct. Bhavya correct. Stavan correct. Malita correct. Anish correct. Sonam, Vaishnavi, Sana, Arna, Gautam, all correct. Trisha, how you got 3? Swara correct. Trisha, you are answering earlier. This is 6 plus 8 is 14. So 1 plus 4, answer is 5. Okay, Trisha. 9142. Yeah, Bhavya, good. Correct. Gautam correct. Malita correct. Samarth correct. Arav, Trisha, Swara, Anish, all correct. 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. 10, 14, 16. So total of this is 16. That you have to add 1 plus 6, 7. Anybody has any question on this topic? There are a lot of application of this, but this is like we're just introducing this topic. We'll be studying one application as the next topic. We'll be studying application, but there are very important application of this topic which will be covered in part 3 actually. Now try this 192. Arav, Gautam, Bhavya, Swaras, Tisha, Stavan, check your answer. Malita is correct. Manish, so Stavan, check your answer. Why you got wrong? 1 plus 9 plus 2 is 12. That is 1 plus 2. 3 is the answers. Okay, so all have answered. Stavan, just confirm that it is 3. 2, 7, 1, 9. 2, 7, 1, 9. Yeah, Arav correct. Gautam correct. Okay, 7. Malita correct. Samarth correct. Sana, you have to add. Answer of digit sum has to be single digits. Sana correct that. Swara correct. Anish correct. Tisha correct. Sonam correct. Arna correct. 2 plus 7. Okay, Sana. Okay, you have to go on adding till you get single digit. So this gives you 9, 10 plus 9, 19. 19. If you add, again you get 2 digit. Again you have to add. You have to go on adding till you get single digit. Any big number, it will come to single digit. So answer is 1. 3, 4, 962. No Samarth, no Malita. Yeah, Bhavya correct. Sana correct. Gautam correct. Trisha correct. Arna correct. Swara correct. 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. So total is 24. So answer is 2 plus 4, 6. Okay. Anybody has doubt? So answer of this is 6. Now I'll teach you some shortcut within this. Okay. So you can get this digit sum much faster. And for that, you should note that 9, if you just consider say 19, if you consider 19, the answer is 1 plus 9, that is 10, and you know that you have to add this, and answer is 1. So you can see here the 9 actually does not change digit sum. So you can ignore 9 and whatever remains you have to add. So the answer of digit sum of 19 is 1. Now see here, first case here out of these three example. If you remove this 9 and just add remaining 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is a shortcut. Remove 9, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now see here, remove 9 and not only just direct 9, any combinations of 9. 2 plus 7 is also 9. So answer is 1. So now you can see you can do it very fast. Just ignore all 9 and any combinations of 9. Whatever remains you have to add. Like for example, in this case, 9 is gone. And also see here, this 3 and this 6 is also 9. So any combination. So not necessarily continuous digit. It can be anywhere. 3 plus 6 is 9. So ignore. So whatever remains you have to add. So 4 plus 2, answer is 6. See this last one earlier which we have done. Remove 9. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. So actual method is add all digit, but shortcut is ignore all 9 and any combination of 9 and whatever remains you add. Any doubt? Now use this method and answer this fast. 1919. Yeah, Bhavya correct. Correct. Malita correct. Samarth correct. Stavan correct. Yeah, all correct because it goes very fast. I cannot read all names. Good. So I think all have answered that. Correct. 2. So 9 is gone. 1 plus whatever remains you have to add. 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. Okay. 1, 9, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4. Do it carefully. Big number. Now so, someone try again, check again. Yeah, Malita correct. Bhavya correct. Sana correct. Swara correct. Stavan correct. Samarth correct. Vaishnavi correct. Laksh correct. Try to answer to me only. Some of you are answering everyone, then others do not get a chance to answer freshly. So see here now, 9 is gone. 3 plus 6 is 9, so that can be removed. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 1 is left here and 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, so remove all 9 and combinations of 9 and whatever remains you have to add. 23764. Mhm. Yeah, Amrita correct, Stavan correct, Arav correct, Samarthya will try again, Sana correct, Gautam correct, Swara correct, Vaishnavi correct, Bhavya correct, Arna correct. Yeah, yeah, you can see here, this 2 and this 7 will go. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So what remains is just 4. No calculation, just answer that 4. Okay. 191634. Yeah, Samarth correct, Arav correct, Sanaz, Isha, Savan, Bhavya, Mahikata, all correct. Swara, you try again. Vaishnavi correct, Gautam correct, Sonam correct, Arna correct. 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. So there are three numbers which is left here, 1, 1 and 4. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. Answer is 6. 90691. Next. Yeah, Malika correct, Arav correct, Isha correct, Bhavya correct, Samad correct, Stavan correct, Gautam correct, Sana correct, Swara correct. Good. So 9 and 9 is gone. The other remains 6 plus 1 is 7. Try this carefully. 9999. Samarthya. Many of you are answering 0, but if you see this definition here, it clearly says that answer has to be 1 to 9. No, no correct answer so far. So far, no correct answer. Fast. Try make attempt. Okay, Arav is the first to get correct. Good, Arav. Congratulations, Arav. Okay. See here. If you use the method of cancelling, it looks like if you cancel everything and it looks like answer is 0. But 0 cannot be answer first thing because definition itself we have said that answer has to be 1 to 9. So now see here, you need not go for shortcut. You go for normal and check now. You have a normal method of getting digit sum, that is add all. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 36. 36 means 3 plus 6 is 9. That way you can confirm now. So it's very clear that answer is 9. Okay. So when all gets cancelled, answer is 9. In other words, you can say you have to keep at least one digit. But then answer of digit sum has to be 1 to 9. 0 means 9. If at all you are getting 0, that means it is 9. Okay. So this, if you use the method of cancelling, it will indicate as if it is 0. That means it is 9. The answer has to be 1 to 9. Any doubt? Try this 990. Yeah. Trisha correct, Arav correct, Samarth correct, Anish correct, Stavan correct, Gautam correct. Okay, again same. Actually, it cancelled everything. Looks like 0, but 0 means 9. Okay, note that 0 means 9. Okay, answer of digit sum has to be 1 to 9. If at all everything gets cancelled, answer is 9. It cannot be 0. Okay. So any question on this topic? As a part of next topic, we'll study some application of this topic, but the better important application we cover in part 3. Okay, so that completes our first topic of today's session, digit sum. Note that it is also called digital root. Digital root is other name of this digit sum. So next we'll go for divisibility test. That is the next topic which we are considering. Okay, so we are studying few divisibility tests which will be required for our next topic also. But what is very important in this topic is we are learning something new. This actually, like for 2, 5 you already learned as a part of your school syllabus. But what is important is divisibility test for 3 and 9, which uses digit sum. Okay, that is what is our main part of this topic. So there are two places here we are deciding based on digit sum. So all of you copy this first and then I'll explain. Okay. Divisibility test, what it says is number is divisible by 2. This 2 refers to if what is the rule for 2? Number is divisible by 2 if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Whatever big number it may be, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, number is divisible by 2. Now, for 3, we are making use of digit sum. What it says is calculate digit sum, and if digit sum is 3, 6, or 9, it is divisible by 3. Okay, copy first, and then just say done after copying. I'll explain you again. Okay, Anish, let's wait for others. Okay. Others just say done if you're finished. Okay, Swara. Yes, Trisha. Then you make this column. Means we will take one number, calculate digit sum, and answer all these questions, whether it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5, and divisible by 9, based on the okay, all of you see here now. So number is divisible by 2 if last digit of that number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Number is divisible by 3 if digit sum, calculate digit sum. That's what we are just now studied. Digit sum, if you calculate, we have studied now a very fast way of getting digit sum. And if that digit sum is 3, 6, or 9, that number is divisible by 3. For 5, if last digit is 0 or 5, very simple. If last, whatever big number, if last digit is 0 or 5, then only it is divisible by 3. And for 9, again, we are making use of digit sum. Number is divisible by 9 if digit sum is 9. Now, first question comes, what is the meaning of divisible by? Can anybody explain? Divisible by. I want a simple meaning of divisible by. Like for example, if I make a statement, 24 is divisible. Okay, just see this. If I make a statement that 24 is divisible by 6, what is the meaning of this statement? 24 is divisible by 6. That is a statement which I made. What you understand with this? Or if I just make a statement 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 3, say. Can you generalize the meaning of this statement? When you divide, what are the two things which you get? We have studied yesterday, no? You get quotient and remainder. When you divide, you get quotient and remainder. Based on this quotient remainder, can you tell the meaning of divisible by? Anybody can try? Let's see. I'm saying that I want the meaning of number is divisible in terms of quotient or remainder. When you divide, you get quotient and remainder. Based on either quotient or remainder, can you tell the meaning of divisible by? No answer. Question is clear to you? I'm saying that you have to give me the meaning of divisible by in terms of either quotient or remainder. Okay. So it's very simple like this. Just try this. Say 24 divided by 6. Okay, if you say the table of 6, you know that 6 fours are 24. See? And then if you subtract, you have to subtract, you get 0. So meaning of divisible is the remainder is 0. So when I say 24 is divisible by 6, that means if you divide 24 by 6, remainder will be 0. Here meaning is if you divide 312 by 3, remainder will be 0. Anybody has doubt? When you divide, you get quotient and remainder. In this case, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Okay, when remainder is 0, that means that number is divisible by whatever number we are trying to divide. So 312 is divisible by 3 if remainder is 0. Or when you say that it is divisible, that means if you actually divide, remainder has to be 0. Anybody has doubt? Anybody wants that explanation again? So very simple. If you can just understand with this example, if you actually divide 24 by 6, the remainder will be 0. If remainder is non-zero, it is not divisible. Okay. If you get remainder non-zero, that means number is not divisible. Okay, now we'll go for this exercise. Make these columns. If you're not done, do it quickly. Number, first column is number, second column is digit sum, then divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5, and divisible by 9. You just write answers here, yes, no, means whether it is divisible, yes, no, will answer. Okay, I'll just show you first two examples. Say number is 23. Okay, digit sum of this is 5. This digit sum is required to answer this divisible by 3 and divisible by 9. So it ends with 3 with this first rule. This is no. I'll put N for no. With this rule, because digit sum is 5, again this is no. This will be yes here only if digit sum answer is 3, 6 or 9. If this answer here is 3, 6 or 9, it will be yes here. Divisible by 5, again it is not ending with 0 or 5, so this also is no. Okay. And because digit sum is 5, this also is no. So 23 is not divisible by 2, nor by 3, nor by 5, nor by 9. Is it clear that N here refers to no? Now consider this example. Okay. So digit sum of this is 6 plus 3, 9. Divisible by 2, it ends with a 0, just here. 0 is included here. So yes. Digit sum is 9 and 9 is included here in the divisibility test for 3. So again, yes. Divisible by 5. When last digit is 0 or 5, it is yes. So here it is 0. So this is yes. And last divisible by 9, digit sum is 9. So this also is yes. Okay. I just taken this example purposely where first example everywhere it is no, second example everywhere it is yes. Okay, another simple example, say 24, 2 plus 4, digit sum is 6. So yes here, 4 is included. So yes, 6 means yes here. Answer of this digit sum 3, 6 or 9, it is yes. 5, it is clear no. Okay. So to make yes here, the last digit has to be either 0 or 5. And this digit sum is 6 here, so this also is no. Anybody has doubt? Now when you answer next, you start answering. You just write this y, n, like that. Means if you have to answer this 24, you'll answer in chat box y, n. If you have to answer this 23, you'll answer n. Like that you answer. Okay. Okay. Next 62. So you just write this answer. Digit sum is not required. Just write answer of this 462. No answer so far. Any difficulty? I not received any answer so far. Right, let it be wrong, but right, so that if we have some misunderstanding or wrong concept, I'll come to know only when you answer. Oh, sorry, there was some problem in the chat box. Okay, many of you answered and answered correctly. I don't know, but my chat box was not showing all that. Okay, so congratulations, many have answered correctly. Yes, N, N, N. Y, N, N, N is the correct answer, in which many have answered. And some have answered this also. This is 8 here. Okay? Because last digit is 2, this is yes here. 8 means no here. This 2 means no here. Okay? 8 digit sum 8, no. Y, N. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so next 1, 2, 3. Lalitha, how first can be yes? Many of okay, Bhavya correct, good. Trisha correct, Arav correct, Sonam correct. Okay, some have answered yes here. First thing, this is 6. Answer of digit sum is 6. Because this is 3, this is no here. Maybe some have got confused because of this 6. For answering divisible by 2, you check the last digit of a number. Digit sum you are using only for divisible by 3 and 9. Okay? Only for 3 and 9 we are using the digit sum. Otherwise, this sum have confused, I think, because of this. You check the last digit of number. That is 3, so no. This is 6, so S here. Last digit is 3 here. Only if it is 0 or 5, it is yes here. This is no in this case. Okay. And this 6 here, so no. N, Y, N, N. Okay. Many of you answered correctly. Take the next 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Yeah, Malita correct, good. Trisha correct, good. Samarth correct. Stavan correct. Arav correct. Sonam correct. Good. So 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9 is the answer here. So divisible by 2 is no, because last digit is 3. Digit sum is 9, so it is yes here. 3, 6 or 9, it is yes. Digit, divisible by 5, it is no, because last digit has to be 5 or 0. So this is no. And because digit sum is 9, this is yes. N, Y was the answer, which many have answered. Anish checked, this is no. Anish. Okay, we'll take some more example. 990. 990. Malita, how divisible by 5 is no? Malita, just check this. No, Sonam. Yeah, Trisha correct, Samarth correct, Aro correct. Some other also has answered, but I saw late. Trisha, you should not answer this as 18. It is 9. Okay, when all are 9, answer is 9. Digit sum answer is 9. It cannot be 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, answer of this. And that's why maybe some of you answered this wrong. Digit sum is 9 here, no? When all gets cancelled, it is 9. Because this is 0, yes, here. Because digit sum is 9, yes, here. Because last digit is 0, yes, here. And because digit sum 9, yes, here. All yes. All were yes. Swara, see here. For 5, it is 0 or 5. As long as last digit is 0 or 5, it is yes. Anybody has doubt? Anybody has doubt? Many have answered different. Correct answer means some at least 6, 7 students have answered that correct. Why? Digit sum, sorry, last digit is 0, so divisible by 2 is s. Digit sum is 9, divisible by 3 is s. Last digit is 0, divisible by 5 is s. Digit sum is 9, divisible by 9 is s. Okay, so 1215. 1215. Yeah, Malita, correct, good. Kisha, why no for 5? Ending with 5, so it should be yes. Arav correct. Swara, you have to check. Sonam correct. Samarth, you have to check. Anish, you have to check. Some answers are not correct. See here. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5. This is 9. Last digit is 5. That's why no here. Based on the last digit, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then only yes will come. Digit sum is 9, so yes here. Last digit is 5, so yes here. And digit sum is 9, yes here. So N, Y. Okay, Trisha. So is it clear? 120, you take 120. 120, next number. One 20, no answer so far. Yes, the one correct, good. Only one has answered so far. Yeah, Samarth correct. Malita correct. Trisha correct. Sonam, try again. Swara, you try again. Anish correct. Aruna, you have to try again. Yaswara correct now. Bhavya correct. Vaishnavi correct. Okay, the digit sum here is 3 because last digit is 0. Yes, here. Because digit sum is 3. Yes, here. Because last digit is 0. Yes, here. Okay. Because digit sum is 3. No, here. For this, you require digit sum to be 9 only for 9. So why? Yeah. Many of you answered correctly. So if you've got any doubt, you ask. Otherwise, we are moving to the next topic now. Any questions? So we'll make use of this in the next topic. Next topic will make use of this concept. So next topic is HCF LCM. I hope all of you know HCF LCM because we are just learning it how to calculate fast or how to calculate both together. In one calculation, you can get HCF as well as LCM. Okay, so what we are going to learn here is in one calculation, you will get both. HCF full form is highest common factor, lowest common multiple. Okay. So these both normals in school method, you learn this separate. Okay. Now in this case, we'll just learn that both can be calculated simultaneously. And to do this, again, you require the that divisibility test, what we have just studied. We have just studied something called divisibility test that is required here. So consider that we want to calculate HCF LCM of 18 and 30. HCF refers to highest common factor. So maybe fifth standard student, you might have not learned this. Okay, but right now, if you've got a problem, you just wait till you learn this topic and then revise this. Lowest common multiple. So in Goa board, I think it is sixth standard. Actually, in some cases, it is taught in the primary also. Highest common factor, lowest or least common multiple. Okay. See a method, all of you concentrate, try to understand. Fifth standard may have some difficulty, but try at least what the exact meaning and this concept will study as a part of your school syllabus. We are just learning it how to calculate fast and how to calculate both together. So you have to find common factors. Now you know that 18 is divisible by 2, 30 also is divisible by 2. Just now we have studied. Here it ends with 8, here it ends with 0. Both are divisible by 2, so take 2 out. So if you take 2 out, what remains, you have to write down 18 divided by 2 is 9, 30 divided by 2 is 15. Just to check whether these are correct, just multiply back. 9 into 2 is 18, 15 into 2 is 30. Now you cannot take 2 common, or this is not divisible by 2, this is also not divisible by 2. But if you check for 3, both are divisible by 3. Okay, this is very clear, divisible by 3, and 1 plus 5 is 6 here. Even if you don't know the table of 3, 1 plus 5 is 6, so that's why both are divisible by 3. So you can take 3 common. 9 divided by 3 is 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now you have a situation where you cannot take anything common. So you have to continue this procedure of taking common till you have a situation where you cannot take anything common. When you cannot take anything common, you have to stop and write answer of HCF and LCM. HCF is just multiply whatever common factors you got, that is 3, 2 and 3 are 2 into 3 is 6. So answer of HCF is 6. And for getting LCM, you have got two options. You can multiply this with this first number with the opposite last, or you can do this way. Both answers will be always same. Either you do this way or this way, answer will be always same. I'll take this. This will be easier because of 0 here. 30 into 3. So to calculate 30 into 3, you have to just do 3 into 3, 9, and put this 0. 0 at the end remains as it is. Okay, 7. First, anybody wants me to repeat, just say repeat first. Otherwise, I will give next question. Just you have to find common factors. And when you have a situation where there's nothing common, you have to stop and both answers you can write. Multiply common factor, that is the answer of HCF. Cross multiply like this or this way, that is the answer of LCM. Okay, there's one request for repeat. So those who understood, try this. I'll just repeat this for. See, the rule here is just find common factors and continue finding common factor till you get a situation that there is nothing common. And then stop and multiply the common factor, that is the answer of HCF. Cross multiply like this or this way, it is LCM. So now 18 is divisible by 2, 30 also is divisible by 2. That is what we have just now studied. Number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 8 is there, here 0 is there. So you can take 2 common. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Divided by 2 means half. Half of 18 is 9. Okay. 30 half is 15. Okay. If you don't know this direct, you have to physically divide and get the answer. But otherwise, dividing by 2 is half. Half of 18 is 9, half of 30 is 15. Now you cannot take 2 common, check for 3. And with 3, it's very clear that both are divisible. So take 3 common. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15, just to check. Now you have a situation where nothing is common. So stop and write the answer. Multiply common factors, that gives you HCF. And LCM is cross multiply this way or this way. Okay, both will give same answer. But here 30 into 3 is easier. 30 into 3 means 3 into 3, 9, and put 0. Arrow that 124, check whether it is 124. Samarth, what is your question? LCM. You put some terms, new term. You are referring this whether it is higher. LCM is higher than HCF. HCM we have written. Yeah. Yeah, this will be higher. Though you might be getting confused because of the word lowest or least. Okay. This is common factor. So that will be lower than both these values. Whereas LCM will be higher than both these values. You can see here. HCF is lower than both these values, that is 6, and LCM is always will be higher than both these values. Okay, some of you have solved this. Let's see, concentrate here now. Both again are divisible by 2. This is 0, this is 4. So you can take 2 common. 30 divided by 2 means half of 30 is 15. 24 divided by 2, half of 24 is 12. Just to check whether this is correct, you just multiply and see whether you are getting same answer. 15 into 2 is 30. 12 into 2 is 24. Now, this is divisible by 2, but this is not. So you cannot take 2 common. So check with the 3. Okay, so with the table of 3, you know that both are divisible by 3, but other way which we have studied is 1 plus 5 is 6, so it is divisible. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you can take 3 common. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now you are in a situation where you cannot take anything common. So right answer, multiply this common factors gives you HCF, and for LCM you can do this or this. In this case, this is easier. Whichever is easier, you take, but both will give always same answer. 3 into 4, 12. So congratulations to those who got correct. I can see Trisha's answer here. And Arav, I can see only else. Okay, you corrected it. Yeah, correct. Arav and Trisha, I think only these two students. I don't know whether others have answered, but I can see these two. Okay, Sonam got correct. The one has answered correctly now. Okay, anybody has still doubt? 24 and 16. Try this systematically. 24 and 16. Yeah, Malita correct. Trisha correct. Good. Samarth, you check HCF. You have to multiply. Maybe you added. HCF is you have to multiply all factors. Samarth, just check that your LCM is correct. HCF, I think you have gone wrong because added is, yeah, correct, Samarth. So 3 have answered correctly now. Malita, Trisha, and Samarth. Stavan, again, same problem. You have to multiply these common factors. So I think you added Stavan. Just check. We got that 6, 2 into 2 into 2 it is. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Correct. Okay, see here. No, Sonam. Sonam, see here. All of you stop now and see here. Both are divisible by 2, so take 2 common. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Half of 24 is 12. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So both these are again divisible by 2, so take 2 common. Swara, see here. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, now note that still you can get common. You have to stop only when you cannot get common. 6 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So again take 2 common. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now you are in a situation where you cannot take anything common. Stop and write HCF as 2 into 2 into 2. Some 2 students had added this. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2, 8. And for LCM, Samar, that is okay, that's correct. So directly, like say, okay, so there is one question that whether you can directly take 4. Okay, if as long as you know that both are divisible by 4, you can take. Even in this case, directly you can take 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Directly you will get this if you take 8 common. Okay, so that is allowed. But simple way is this. Okay, because we have studied divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, and so on. Okay, so here both will be same. 24 into 2, 48. Okay, so try more examples yourself and to check this answer. Means if you are trying these problems yourself and you want to check the answers, what you have to do is multiply this. Like if you consider this example here, you want to check, you have got these answers and you want to check whether it is correct. Multiply these numbers which are given to you. Whatever answer you get here, that answer you should get by multiplying this. As long as both these answers are same, your calculation is correct. Multiply numbers and multiply HCF and LCM. If both answers are same, your calculation is correct. This is how you can check it with a calculator. You try more examples yourself, multiply the numbers and multiply the answers. Both should give you the same answer. It is correct. With this method, you can try more examples yourself. We are moving to the last topic that requires more time. Any question? But if you have got question, I'll answer. Otherwise, we are moving to the next question, next topic. Yes, some fifth standard students, you may have difficulty because you have not covered this topic. So you keep that pending till you learn it in the school and then revise this again. So last topic. Those who are interested for answering all Goa Vedic mathematics test, this is the most important topic. I'll tell you shortly why it is most important. Okay, can anybody answer me what is example of base? Any example, you just put it in the chat box. Base method. So first thing you should know what is base. Can anybody give me example? We have studied this. Examples of base I want from you. Write it in chat box. Yeah, Sonam, very good. Only one student has answered. Malita, base means it is that 10, that combination you don't have to show. Okay. So base meaning is 1 followed by 0. So lowest base is 10, next is 100, next is 1000, next is 10,000. It can be any number of zeros, 1 followed by zeros. Yeah, correct. Malita and Sonam will answer. Anybody else? Sorry, others have got any doubt? This we are referred with reference to complement topic. Okay. So base is always 1 followed by zeros. Now, first very important point what you should learn under this topic is you should use this multiplication method when numbers which are multiplying are near to one of these base. Near to maybe 10, near to maybe 100, near to maybe 1000, maybe near to 1 crore. But if it is near, then you can get answer very fast or orally using this method. Now, within this, we are learning only above base. That means we are considering the problems where number is more than base. For example, 105 multiplied by 103. Now understand that this problem fits in this category because both these numbers are near to 100 and within that they are above 100. Okay. 105, 103 are very close to 100 and both are above 100. Okay. So when you have this situation, when two numbers which are multiplying are close to one of this base, you can answer it orally. Okay, let's study steps. First, as we have done it, you have to identify what is base. Both these numbers are near to 100. Next, you have to find difference with the base. 105 minus 100 is 5. 103 minus 100 is 3. Finding difference is very simple because we are considering above base. All these numbers will start with a 1 something. If you just remove 1, you will get a difference. 0, 5 and 5 is same. Next, put the line to separate left hand side and right hand side. On the right hand side, you have to multiply these differences. The differences with base. 5 into 3, 15. That is the right hand side answer. Left hand side is a cross addition. You have to add like this. 105 plus 3 is 108. Okay. Multiply differences, that is right hand side answer. Cross addition, left hand side answer. Now whether you add this way or this way, answer will be always same. 103 plus 5 also is 108. Final join together 10815. Arav, you cannot say series of 10, it is multiple of 10. sorry, not actually multiple of 10 also, it is power of 10. If you understand power, that is a correct way. Okay, there's one request for repeat. I'll repeat, all of you concentrate. Both these numbers are near to 100. So first you identified that both these numbers are near to one of the base, in this case 100. Next, find difference. 105 minus 100 is 5. 103 minus 100 is 3. It said that because you are considering above base, finding difference is very simple. Just remove this one, use to difference. Next, multiply these differences. That is the right hand side answer. 5 into 3 is 15. Cross addition, you get left hand side answer. 105 plus 3, it is 108. Final answer, you have to join both sides. Shortly, we'll study why we separate. Okay. Right now, it looks like as if you can write the answer directly without this separation, but there is a meaning for it, which we'll study shortly. Shravan, it is okay now, or still you want repetition? Just tell it okay or repeat. Okay. Those who have copied already, try this. You know, copy that first, then try this. 106 multiplied by 102. First, copy, understand, copy this. Always for first problem, you should copy all steps. Afterwards, you can do direct. Very good, Samarth. Correct. Arav, correct. Malita, correct. Vaishnavi, you answered only left hand side. Stavan, correct. Isha, correct. Sana, you answered only left hand side. So join both. Bhavna, correct. Bhavya, correct. Sonam, correct. Swara, correct. Manish, correct. Sana, correct. Base 100. Difference 6. Difference finding is very simple. Just note this. You just remove this one. What remains is a difference here. This is 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 106 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 108. So answer is 10812. So congratulations to all those who answered correctly. Try this. 106 multiplied by 108. 106 multiplied by 108. Trisha, very good, correct. Samarth, correct, good. Arav, correct, good. So three have answered quite fast. Trisha, Arav, Samarth. Sana, correct, good. Vaishnavi, correct, good. Manish, correct. Malita, right hand side you have added instead of multiplying. Malita, understand the mistake. Right hand side you have added instead of multiplication. Savan, correct. Bhavya, correct. Sonam, correct. Check here now. Base 100 again. This is 6. This is 8. So right hand side you have to multiply. 6 into 8, 48. 106. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 114. So answer is 1144. Try this. 112 multiplied by 103. 112 multiplied by 103.
Arav, no. Shravan, no. Samarth is first to get correct. Congratulations, Samarth. Trisha, correct. Good. Trisha. So far, Samarth and Trisha are correct. Sana, correct. Good. Three have got correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Bhavya, correct. Sonam, correct. Manish, correct. Swara, correct. Okay. Stop and see here. So those who have made a mistake, you have taken 2 as a difference here. The difference is 12. 112 minus 100 is 12. So other way I said just remove this first one and with that again clear it's 12. This is 3. 12 into 3 is 36. 12 into this you have to multiply. 12 into 3 is 36. This you have to add 112 plus 3 is 115. So 11536. Okay. Any doubt? Try one more similar. I wanted all should get correct. 123 multiplied by 102. 123 multiplied by 102. Very good, Trisha. Quite fast. Samarth, correct. Good. Malika, we got left hand side wrong. This is left hand side. You are adding 1, 2, 3 plus 2 is 125. Shravan, correct. Arav, correct. Vaishnavi, there is a problem. Try Vaishnavi again. Bhavya, correct. Sana, left hand side there is a mistake. The base here is 100. This is 23. This is 2. 23 into 2 is 46. And 123 plus 2 is 125. This way it is addition. Left hand side is addition. Right hand side is multiplication. Multiply differences. You get right hand side. Cross addition. This is addition. 123 plus 2 is 125. 23 into 2 is 46. So answer is 12546. Try one more of this type. 113 multiplied by 103. 113 multiplied by 103. Yeah, Trisha, very good. Samarth, very good. The one some right hand side mistakes. The one Bhavya correct, Arav correct, Malita. See, Malita, you have not added this 3. 113 plus 3 is 116 left hand side. Swara, some extra digit has come. Swara. Anish correct, Malita correct now. Sana, some extra digit has come. Sonam correct. That's the one. It's the one left hand side is a mistake. Base 100. This is 13. Just remove first one. 13 into 3 is 39. Cross addition. 113 plus 3 is 116. So 11639. 11639. Many of you are writing 1136. You have to add like this and that answer you get. 113 plus 3 is 116. 13 into 3 is 39. Okay, so I hope all have clear that now. Okay, now just write down this note, very important note. Copy this note. number of digits on right hand side. Number of digits on right hand side should be equal to number of zeros in the base. Number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zeros in the base. So all of you just note here that what I am referring this note is this base has got two zeros, you should have two digits. Okay, that's what was happening. All the problems which are done so far, it was automatically matching. Now we'll take the example where it is not matching, and then we'll see what we should do when it is not matching. Maybe it will be less than whatever you require, or can be more. All I finished copying note. Number of digits on right hand side, that is this, should be equal to number of zeros in the base. There are two zeros, there should be two digits. That is the meaning of that. Okay, all of you concentrate here now. Base is 100. This is 2. This is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 102 plus 3 is 105. Okay. Now understand why we separate. Why we separate is clear now, because you have to check this rule and then only you have to join. Number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zeros in the base. It is not matching here. When it is less, you have to put zeros to the left to match this and then join. So answer is 10506. Okay, so what we have learned now, new thing is when there are less digits on the right hand side, then put zero and then join. And that's the reason why we separate. Only we confirm this and then join. Put there. Try this now. 104 into 102. Samarth, you made a mistake on the right hand side. Anish correct. Sana, you have not put that zero, most important. Malita correct. Bhavya correct. Samarth correct. Swara correct. Sana correct. Base is 100. This is 4. This is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. That you write 08 as we have discussed here. There are two zeros. There should be two digits. Addition here 104 plus 2 is 106. So answer is 10608. Okay, congratulations to all those who got correct. Now try this 1007 multiplied by 1006. First note that base here is 1000. So far all problem base was 100. So accordingly note that there should be three digits on the right hand side. Try this. Very good, Trisha. Correct. The one is slight mistake. Bhavya, correct, good.
Arav, that left hand side is a mistake. 1 0 will get reduced there. Malita, that addition you made mistake. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1013 should be on the left hand side, Malita. Sana, correct. Samarth, again, 7 plus 6 is 13. Samarth. Anish, correct. Arna, correct. Samarth, correct now. Swara, you got one extra zero. Okay, all of you see here now. 7, 6, 7 into 6 is 42. Because base has 3 zeros, you require 1 zero here to make it 3 digit. 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, so it is 1013. That carry 1 and this 0 will be replaced with the ones. So Swaras here, you have kept those both zeros. This 0 will be replaced with the 1. Okay, so like this 1007 plus 6, 7 plus is 13, carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So just join and that is answer. One zero zero eight multiplied by 1005. 1008, 1005. Krisha, very good, correct. Bhavya, correct. Malita, correct. Swara, correct. Anish, right hand side, it should be 40, no? Sana, there's a mistake on both sides. Check it again. Samarth, correct. Arna, correct. Sonam, correct. Sana, correct, no? 7, that 4 6 here written, it should be 40. Base here is 1000. 1 2 3, this is 8, this is 5. 8 into 5 is 40. Because there are 3 zeros in the base, you have to write 0 here. 8 plus 5 is 13, so it is 1013. So 1013 040. Okay, so okay, Anish. So this is a situation where you have less digits on the right hand side. We can have a other way situation that you get more digits. Let's take some example. Say 125 multiplied by 106. All of you concentrate. I'll solve this. Base both are near to 100. 125, 106. Difference here is 25. Just hide first one, gives you difference. This is 6. Now see here, if you don't know 25 into 6 direct, then you can use just single digit multiplication to get the answer. 6 5s are 30, so 0 carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Okay. If you know direct answer, great, but otherwise you can easily calculate a single digit multiplication here. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Cross addition, 25 plus 6 is 31, so 131. 125 plus 6 is 131. Now there are 2 zeros in the base, whereas you are getting 3 digit, it should be only 2 digits. This is extra, and extra always we add it to the left. So plus 1, and answer to the left is 132. Final answer is 13250. So if it is less, we are putting 0. If it is extra, we add it to the left, and then only you join, and that's the reason why we separate it. Copy that. The ones here, first 25 into 6.
25 into 6 is 150. You are getting answer 150. Whereas the rule says number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zero in the base. Right hand side you are getting 3 digit, but base has got only 2 zeros. So this is extra. Okay, only last 2 digit you have to keep. Remaining part you have to add to the left. Before that, cross addition 125 plus 6, 125 plus 6 is 131. And then we are adding this because number of digits on the right hand side should be equal to number of zeros. Here it is extra. Seven, it is okay, or you want me to repeat fully? Okay. All of you try this. 115 multiplied by 108. No, Samarth, mistake on the left hand side. Samarth, check your left hand side answer. Yeah, Trisha, very good. Correct. Sana, correct. Good. Anish, correct. Good. Malita, correct. Good. Pace is 100 again. Stavan, correct. Arav, correct. Arna, correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Swara, correct. Good. Stop now and see. Remove first digit. So this is 15. This is 8. 15 into 8. If you don't know direct answer, do like this. 8 5s are 40. So 0. Carry 4. 8 1s are 8 plus 4, 12. 120. Cross addition 115 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. So 1 2 3. Base has got 2 zeros. So this is extra. Extra we add it to the left. So plus 1. It is 1 2 4 on the left hand side, and right hand side 20. So answer is 12420. Congratulations, many of you have studied correctly. See here next, I'll solve it here. All of you concentrate. 1042 multiplied by 1048. All of you see here. Days here is 1000. See here, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros will be there. This is 42, this is 48. Now note that 42 into 48 you can answer easily because you have studied in the first session multiplication special case. When digit at tens place is same and this sum is 10, you can answer directly. Okay, so you should know by this time. If you have practiced, you will know the answer immediately. If you have not practiced, say it will create problem. So you have to practice 4 into 5. Okay, take common next number 2 into 8. This is 20, this is 16, 2016. Okay, at this stage with the practice, you should know the answer of this as 206. 4 into 5 is 20, 2 into 8 is 16. Now cross addition 2 plus 8, 10, so 0, carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8, plus carry 1, 9. This 0 will remain as it is, this one will remain as it is. 1042 plus 48 is 1090. Now see here, there are 3 zeros, whereas you are getting 4 digits. So this is extra that you'll have to add it to the left. So left hand side answer here is 1092 and right hand side is 016. So final answer 1092016. Any doubt you can ask, otherwise copy that. I'll give similar problem to you. 1063 multiplied by 1067.
Bhavya, for that you have to make both digits same and then do it. Okay, so that we cover normally in the revision session. We also conduct monthly revision session. If you're interested, you can tell it later on. Okay, so here because of time constraint, it's not possible. Sonam, that 29 into 29, you have to use crisscross. Okay, you have another method, but that is not covered here. Okay, this is one question: what how to do 29 into 29 at this stage, with whatever you have learned. This you'll have to solve using crisscross. Samarth, how you are getting 1018 on the some mistake? Samarth also writing 18. Malita also writing 18. 3 into 7 is 21, no? So how you are writing 18? Malita, only because of this part it is gone wrong. 3 into 7 is 21. So last two digits should be 2 1. Otherwise it is correct. Yeah. Trisha is correct. Yeah, correct, Malita. No? Base is 1000. All of you see here now. Stop. 63, 67. Again, special case. 6 into 7 is 42. 3 into 7 is 21. I don't know. I made a mistake here. 3 into 7 is 21. So 3 zeros. So this 4 is extra. Cross addition. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0, carry 1. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. That 1 will carry here. 0 will be replaced by 1 and this one as it is. Now we have to add this 4 and the left hand side answer is 1 1 3 4. Right hand side answer is 2 2 1. So answer is 1 1 3 4 2 2 1. Yeah, congratulations to all those who got correct. Many have got correct. Good. There's two more problems we'll take before we stop. 10084 multiplied by 10099. I'll solve it and then I'll give one problem similar to that for you. Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you can know 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros in the base. This is 84. This is 99. So series of 9. Again, the topic which you have done. That this is the reason I said that many questions will appear on this topic for all Goa Vedic mathematics tests, because within this problem I can also test series of 9. I can also test special case. For series of 9, first step is 1 less. 84 minus 1 is 83. Second part, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1, last from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now when you are adding 99, there is a shortcut. You can see here. First I'll add and show you that. Okay, see here. When you are adding 99, 84 plus say 99. So now how you can solve 19? This 2 is common, but 9 plus 9 is 18. No? This sum should be 10. Then only you can use special case. That's why I told you to generate problem yourself. You can go through the recording. In the recording also it is explained. Okay, you just go through recording of the first session. Okay, Sonam, just go for last 10 minutes of the recording of the first session. Okay, you'll understand. This has to be 10. Okay, we have discussed there how to generate problem yourself. Coming back here, 4 plus 9 is 13, 3 carry 1, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1, 18. So always when you add 99, what you get is 1 here and this is reduced by 1. So this 0 will be replaced with the 1 and this is reduced by 1. 10183. So you don't have to do all this. Just put 1 here, reduce this by 1. So answer, sorry, 4 zeros, 4 digit, it is matching. So 101838316 is the answer. So when you're adding 99, just 1 will come to the left and last digit will reduce by 1. So Sonam, you have to understand that this is a multiplication by series of 9. 84 multiplied by 99 is 1 less. Okay, that's why you have to practice. 84 minus 1 is 83. That is the first step of series of 9, and then all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 zeros, 4 digits. And for cross addition, I said you can just write 1 here and reduce this by 1. Okay, you can do normal and check. When you're adding 99, you have to just put 1 here to the left and reduce this by 1. Okay, Sonam? Try this first, last problem. Samarth, last digit you have made a mistake. All from 9, last from 10. So last digit should be 2. All from 9, last from 10. Last digit should be 2 there in your answer. The other digits are correct. But for exam, even if there is 1 digit mistake, it is fully wrong. Okay, correct now, Samarth. But be careful. Okay, all of you try to see that you answer that Olga Vedic Mathematics test. And with your own interest, as I said, we will be having International Vedic Maths test on 26th of November. On 30th, we'll be taking some preparatory session for that. Trisha, there is a mistake. Sana, there is a mistake. Sana, that multiplication of series of 9, you have not done correctly. Base is 10,004 zeros. This is 58. So this also indicates that you have to practice. So those Trisha, Sana, you have made a mistake because you have made a mistake here basically. 58 into 99 is 1 less is 57. 9 minus 5 is 4. Last from 10. Anish, your first digit is wrong. Adding 9 means you have to put 1 here, reduce this by 1. So left hand side is 1 0. Sorry, this will become 1 and 5 7. Put 1 here, reduce this by 1. 1 here, reduce this by 4 zeros, 4 digits. So it is matching. So answer is 101575742. Okay. So thank you.